So today we swapped out the front brake pads out with the old. There they go. The Takiko standard brake pads, and we've replaced them with the EBC Double H sintered pads. Nice easy little job. Pin bolts, loosen them first. Took out these two bolts, caliper off, pins out, new pads in, job done. About 5 minutes probably to do them. The other side you've got to take off the ABS sensor. So they're brand new. I've pumped the lever up now. So I'll be taking that out on a run tomorrow and bedding in the new pads. But there they are. They're the old. Saying old, they've only done about 1,500 mile. And we replaced with those. So let's see, I'm hoping to get a little bit keener braking with those. So there we go. Look how clean that is. Oh yes. Stunning. Stunning bike. Still got a low seat if anybody wants one, in brand new condition. Tried that out, but I do prefer the standard seat. So we'll test the brakes out tomorrow. See you later.